Today, I'll walk you through how to connect a MySQL database to Power BI for direct query and real-time data using the correct drivers, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up this connection so you can visualize your data seamlessly. Let's get started. First, open Power BI Desktop. This is your canvas for creating stunning reports and dashboards. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Next, from the Home ribbon, locate and click on the Get Data option. This is where you will initiate the process of connecting to your MySQL database. Think of it as opening a door to a treasure trove of data. In the search bar that appears, type MySQL. This action helps you quickly find the specific database option you need. Once you see it, click on MySQL Database. This is the key to unlocking your data connection. A connection settings window will appear. Here you'll need to fill out all the necessary fields, including the server name and database name. Make sure everything is accurate and then click Next. This step is crucial as it ensures that Power BI knows where to find your data. Once the connection is complete, you will see a preview of the data ready to be loaded onto your Power BI canvas. Take a moment to review this data. It's like checking the ingredients before you start cooking. After you've reviewed the data, click Load. This action will make the data available in your data pane on the right side of the screen. Now you can start creating visualizations and reports based on the real-time data from your MySQL database. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your MySQL database to Power BI for direct query and real-time data. This connection opens up a world of possibilities for data analysis and reporting. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.